Mga kapuso, nako, sobrang saya po namin ng aking asawa na si Regine dahil lahat po ng mga proyekto po namin ay napaka-blessed as a couple at bilang solo artist. And of course, our greatest blessings came 5 months ago when our first child, Nathaniel, and we call him Nate, was born. He made our world brighter and completed us as a family. Totoo nga po na the best things are worth the wait. And it's my honor as a father to introduce my son sa buong Pilipinas. Ito po ang First TVC. Kasama po ako, ng aking asawa, at ang aming anak na si Nate as a family. Thank you, Sun Life Financial. Let's make life even brighter under the sun.
Hello, sun, warm me with your light. I've never seen you shine this bright.
You know, before, nung wala pa akong baby, I didn't really believe in mga life insurance. Kasi yung life insurance, parang kailangan mamatay pa muna talaga ako.
Shine on, experience the sun. Life is brighter under.
So ngayon ko nakita yung importance ng having a life insurance. It's yung life insurance para talaga sa may iwan mo talaga. Masarap na feeling na gano'n na ako naman yung nag-aalaga, hindi naman ako yung inaalagaan. Life-changing. Itong baby na ito.
Under the sun. Buong buhay kitang hinintay. And you are so worth the wait. Nate, you made my world so bright. I promise I'll do the same for you, okay?